So I'm here with my friend David from Global Specialty Products. He was kind enough to join us for our IDI training event. What they make is a line of eco-friendly spray foam cleaners for different chemicals, mixed chemicals, resins, ISO. So I'll let David kind of show us the product line, maybe do a quick demonstration if we're lucky enough, and get a good idea for what we're looking at. So take it away.
Sure, thank you, Aaron. So once again, my name is David Pagani. I'm the Technical Director at Global Specialty Products USA. So as Aaron mentioned, that we manufacture a series of environmentally safe, non-hazardous, non-HAPs. These products meet California Prop 65. That means that it can be used in anywhere around the country, including in the West Coast. So they're non-carcinogenic, non-mutagenic, non-teratogenic. So these products are primarily flushing or immersion cleaning of isocyanates Part A or polyol Part B, reactant Part A and B, crystallized isocyanate Part A and B, polyurea coating, and many other industrial resins like polyester, vinyl ester, epoxy, polyamide, polyurethane. So basically for the first product that I will introduce to you is NZD ISO Flush isocyanate cleaner, which is for Part A, flushing or immersion cleaning of hoses, the spray foam equipment. So you could do recirculation of the NZD ISO Flush into the system. You could also clean polyol Part B. Then we have Circulate Flush 2000, which is for reactant Part A and B, and for overspray. Then the third product is CIRR D-Bond for crystallized isocyanate for Part A, that you would do immersion cleaning with the CIRR D-Bond in an ultrasonic tank or any kind of immersion tank. And then Circulate is for the equipment storage fluid. So once you flush the system, your spray foam equipment, spray guns, or any components that you want to keep it for a week, a month, store it for a week or a month or a year, you would use Circulate to store the equipment. So what I'm going to do is basically demonstrate the overspray, the performance of Circulate Flush 2000 for cleaning the overspray from plastics or metal. Let me see, this is a better surface here. So we usually have, you could do hand wipe application or immersion in this case. So if you've got the overspray of polyurethane foam on the glass, on the metal surface, on concrete pavers, then you basically apply the substrate, the Circulate Flush fluid. You soak it a little bit and let the chemistry do the job. So basically it takes a few seconds and until it affects the substrate, and then it starts to work from underneath and it starts to remove the resin, the polymer.
So you're basically letting the chemicals kind of do the work.
Exactly.
Maybe less mechanical cleaning. If you can use something like this, you might save the substrate if there's overspray.
So it will not damage the substrate. You could use a spray bottle, and basically that's a lot easier to do it, and you will get a nice surface, clean surface.
And this also comes in a wipe form, is that right?
It comes in gold green saturated wipes. There are 90 sheets in each canister, and you pull out one, soak with this, and the wipes are obviously more rigid than paper towels.
Just like baby wipes.
Just like baby wipes, but it's definitely more rigid.
And what we're using is Circulate Flush 2000 on this, right?
Circulate Flush 2000, which is this product right there.
Okay.
For cleaning. CIRR D-Bond will do it as well, I can try this CIRR D-Bond for you.
The CIRR D-Bond is a little more aggressive, is
CIRR
that
D-Bond
right?
is a little bit more aggressive, but as for metal components like pump packaging, heat exchanger packaging, or any other metal components that is covered with polyurethane foam or isocyanate, dried isocyanate.
So, long and short of it, gun cleaner. So we can soak parts in here, we can warm soak parts or ultrasonic, and this is a little bit more aggressive than the CIRR Flush. This is something you would run through your B-side and flush out with Circulate. This one would be a little bit more aggressive gun cleaner, which is what you're using here. That's the CIRR D-Bond.
This is the CIRR D-Bond that we are using right now.
Okay.
So basically, and I'm not really applying any real pressure to it. It just, the chemistry will do the job. But of course you need a little bit of mechanical, scrubbing to get everything off.
Right, little elbow grease. That's
Yes,
right.
exactly.
So most of these products are available in 1 gallon jugs. The 5 gallon jugs as shown over here are popular if you're flushing out your A or B side or you're winterizing your rig. You can use the 5 gallons, flush out all these components with Circulate, and Circulate can stay in the system. That's a plasticizer. Up to 3 years.
Up to 3 years, the Circulate, and you can take the Circulate out and reuse it. That's the only product, and it's a 0 VOC material. You can use it up to 3 years.
The other cool thing about these products is that there are some companies that deal with hazmat that will take these chemicals back for, obviously there's a fee to do it. Some other chemicals with NMP and other products in, they're a lot more expensive to return, and some of those companies don't like to do it or they charge a lot to do it. These products are a lot more friendly, and we can help direct you to those companies that will take some of those chemicals back.
Exactly. So we have aligned ourselves with a hazardous waste hauler called Hazardous and Non-hazardous, obviously. Nexio hazardous waste company, waste hauler, and they come in and they characterize your waste, even if it's a 5 gallon pail or a 55 gallon drum, and they take it away from you at minimal cost. The average cost that we know of for a 5 gallon pail is around $75, and for a 55 gallon drum is anywhere from $120 to $150 per 55 gallon drum to take it away from you. So it's a peace of mind, and they do a great job.
Yeah, it's a fantastic product. We've been doing a lot of demos today.
Sure.
Great feedback. So these products are in stock at your local IDI branch. Give me a call if you need anything.